Free money from the government lets you buy $1 million business with just 10% down. Small business acquisition loans are the biggest wealth-building secret that MBA grads have discovered. Here's the exact process. First, find a profitable business doing at least $500,000 in annual revenue that's been operating for 3+ years. Look on business broker websites or BizBuySell. Next, submit a letter of intent to the seller. This shows you're serious. Then apply for an SBA 7A loan through an approved lender. They'll finance up to 90% of the purchase price if you have decent credit and some business experience. The government guarantees most of the loan, so banks are eager to lend. You'll need to put down 10 to 15% cash and show a solid plan for running the business. The seller may even help finance part of the deal. This is called seller financing, and the SBA loves it because it means the seller has skin in the game. Best businesses to target: service companies, manufacturing, or distribution. Avoid restaurants and retail. They're too risky. Look for businesses with recurring revenue and long-term contracts. MBA grads are leaving banking jobs because they can make more money owning these businesses while building real equity. With an SBA loan, you can control $1 million company for just $100,000 down. The wealth-building potential is massive, but act fast. More people are discovering this strategy every day.